let's learn liver quickly. Liver is made of fulcrum, effort and load. Fulcrum is the joint, effort is the muscle producing it, and load is the weight or external force. There are three orders of liver. The first order liver is first F, fulcrum in the middle. So the example is atlantoaxial joint, that is nodding movement. In that the atlantoaxial joint act as a fulcrum, the posterior neck muscles act as an effort, and the weight of the head act as a load. It is also known as the lever of balance. Now second order liver. Second order liver is a lever of power and efficiency. As the effort arm is longer, there will be less effort applied. So here you have to remember L. That is L in the middle, load in the middle. Here's the example is standing on the toes. Ball of the foot act as a fulcrum, the posterior leg muscles act as an effort, and the load of the body acts as a load. Here the mechanical advantage is more than one. Now third order liver. Third order liver is a lever of speed. Here the effort arm is short. So you remember fell. E is in the middle, that is effort is in the middle. The example is bicep curl. Now the elbow joint is acting as the fulcrum, the bicep muscle is acting as the effort, and the load in the wrist is acting as a load. Now the mechanical advantage is less than one in this liver, but do not forget that it is the commonest liver in the body. For more such physiotherapy content, follow PhysioMinds.